Hey guys, Chris here. This is the 2004 Lexus GX 470. We have live on Bring a Trailer right now that we are auctioning off with no reserve. I'm going to do a startup video. This truck is Maryland state inspected, which is one of the most strict state inspections in the country. If it passes Maryland, it should pass pretty much any state. 191,000 miles, cold AC. Actually, it's ice cold. It does come with the Mark Levinson sound system, center locking differential, heated side mirrors, 115 volt power outlet between the seats, 191,000 miles, and this has the backup camera. The link for the auction will be in the description of the video. Thanks for watching.